I'm Natalia Bonner. Welcome back. All right, I'm having a lot of fun machine quilting. I think I say that every time because I just love machine quilting. But anyways, I'm quilting here on my new class sample for the 9 Patchalong 5.0. And this class sample has these bonus blocks, and on the bonus blocks, I always just like to play around and have fun. I feel like they're the perfect little playground. Controlled spaces, at least for me, are the perfect little playgrounds for machine quilting. So I thought it'd be fun today just to share how I use my mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler to quilt a quilt block with just the simple point-to-point melon design. We all start somewhere, and sometimes more simplistic really is better. Now, when machine quilting this fun design, remember gentle pressure. So a few products that I'm using here, I do have 1 layer of the Quilter String Poly Deluxe batting. I'm using So Fine thread on the top and then the pre-wound super bobs in my bobbin. I am doing my quilting on the Gamble 22-inch machine, and I do have my stitch length set at 13 stitches per inch. Whenever you're doing any ruler quilting like I'm doing, make sure you have the ruler foot on your machine. I do also have a large extended base plate here. This is the Gamble base plate. And then machine quilting rulers are 1/4 of an inch thick, so they are designed to slide, just glide right against that ruler foot without popping up on top or sliding under. So it's important that you are using the correct tools whenever machine quilting with rulers. But hop over here and I'll show you just how fun and easy it is to machine quilt this design with no markings. Whenever machine quilting with rulers, I like to start and stop with my needle in the down position. So starting with the needle in the down position, I'm going to position my mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler. Now up here at the top, I want to take into account that I need enough space, so 1/4 of an inch from my needle position to the outside of my ruler foot. So I'm going to line up the mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler so that up here at the top, it's about 1/4 of an inch away from where I want my thread to intersect. Now you can easily go through and mark 1/4 of an inch spacing, but if you're like me, you can just eyeball it, and if you need to adjust as you're going, then go ahead and do that. When machine quilting with rulers, you'll always want to use gentle pressure, both here on the ruler as well as on the machine. So I'm going to engage my machine and then just use gentle pressure as I glide the machine here along the side of my ruler. Once I've stitched all the way across that block, I'm going to stop with my needle in the down position, readjust my machine quilting ruler. Again, remember I'm holding the ruler down here now, 1/4 of an inch away from where I want my thread to intersect. You can see here it's obviously already 1/4 of an inch away. So I'll engage my machine, use gentle pressure, and stitch right back to where I started. You could always leave this simple design just like that, or create a little bit more interest by repeating the process. I'll travel across my ditch using that straight side of the mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler, and now I'm going to repeat that process, stitching now down over to here. So I'm again holding my ruler 1/4 of an inch from where I want my thread to intersect. I'll stop with my needle in the down position, readjust that machine quilting ruler, hold it 1/4 of an inch away from where I want my thread to intersect. And complete that design. I hope you found a little bit of inspiration from that fun quilt blog. These machine quilting rulers really are so much fun to machine quilt. You can see how this design would just be adorable quilted like across a whole patchwork quilt, just simple enough that it would create a perfect amount of interest. You can pick up the mini 4-in-1 machine quilting ruler along with all of my other machine quilting rulers and our Piece and Quilt PopSocket ruler grip, and enroll in my brand new free class, the 9 Patchalong 5.0, on our website, peaceandquilt.com. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll be back soon with another machine quilting video.